Hello, my name is Michelle Richards, and I'm the Work Experience Coordinator at College of the Desert. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of the Work Experience class, because it does pay off. You'll learn the latest in technology. You'll build a more powerful resume, become more marketable, and you'll work on goals to become a better employee, to increase your skills, interests, and abilities. You might even have a better chance of promotions, raises, or letters of recommendation. You'll gain hands-on experience, which, by the way, are linked to your academics. And you'll earn transferable college units. So sign up for the Work Experience class today. On behalf of the Work Experience team, we look forward to working with you.